Okay. Do this. Reset the application. This is a test of my JavaScript application, which allows you to build 3D models. Move the cursor down. Move the cursor onto the canvas. It turns into a crosshair to allow you to position things. Below, there are 3 indicators for cursor position, which operation you're performing, and which entity in the model you're editing. If I shift click on the canvas, that allows me to add entities to the model, and if I alt click, I can change the entity that's being added. I've now changed it to face. We'll now select the camera view, start with back, and if I now go shift click, I can add a face. Select a standard face, and a data palette, which I can drag about the application, appears listing all the standard faces I can select. I'll select a rectangle, create the face. Now another data palette appears containing the face that I've just added, and every face I've added will be added to this data palette. The camera icon allows me to temporarily hide it, unless of course the checkbox is checked, which means it's selected for various operations. If I now check that checkbox, I can go to rendering, change the face name, I'll call it back face, and I can change the colour. Let's change it to a nice mahogany red. Whoops, 128.00. Set line colour, set fill colour, OK. Tick that box off. Now go from the standard camera views, back, front, left, right, top and bottom, to one of the roving cameras, which I can now move like this. So I can now move the camera to view the object from a different perspective. Now go to the left view, shift click, add another face. This time we'll add a square. Tick the rectangle off, tick on the square, create face. Go back to the roving camera, and the left face has now appeared alongside the back face. I'll rename it so that it's properly listed as the left face. Now comes the fun part. I can join those faces together. But before I do that, I'll go to the front view, add another face, this one with the front face, and it'll be a rectangle, create face, rename it to front face, and while we're at it, we'll make this a nice shade of orange. That should do it. Set colours, bingo. Go back to the roving camera, and now my front face has appeared. Go back to here. Now, tick off all of those, put those up there for a moment, and now click on Join Faces. This is the clever part. I can now connect the left face to the back face. I do it as follows. Select left face as the fixed face that won't change shape. All its vertices appear in this box. Select back face, sorry. I made a mistake there. Let's try again. Cancel that. Join faces. Select back face as the fixed face. Yes, I have selected the back face. Left face is the elastic face that will change shape when I join it. And now select the vertices to join. Join those two together, add to join list. Click those off. Select those two vertices, add to join list. Click join faces, bingo. Move around here. Repeat the procedure for the front face. Join faces. Front face is the fixed face. Left face is the elastic face. Select those two vertices, add to join list. Select those two vertices, add to join list, join faces. And now, I've got those faces joined together. Now for the fourth face on the right hand side, instead of actually rebuilding a new right face, what I can do is I can click on left face. Whoops, get the palette back. Select left face and create a left-right mirror of it. Like that. And a new face appears, which I will label, right face. And now, if I turn around, the right face has appeared. Mirrored exactly where I wanted it to be mirrored.